8 signs you're ready to quit your day job. No matter how much you love your job, there will probably come a time when you'll be ready to call it quits. In today's presentation, I'm going to show you 8 signs that you're ready to quit your day job. Number 1, you make more money at your side hustle. When you start earning more money at your side hustle than at your day job, then it's a sign that you may need to start writing that resignation letter soon. This will not only free up your time so you can focus on your hustle, but you can start scaling it for even more profits. Number 2, you want to spend all your time at your side hustle. When all you want to do is work on your side hustle, then you're probably ready to say goodbye to your day job. Number 3, you hate the thought of going to work. Why bother going to work if you hate even the mere thought of going there? If you can't muster the energy to get out of bed to prepare for work, then you know you're ready to say goodbye. Number 4, you're no longer growing at your job. When you no longer feel challenged and you're no longer learning anything new at your job, then perhaps you need a change of scenery. Number 5, you've got a dead-end job. If you want to move up the ladder but it's not possible at your current job, then you may wish to start looking for greener pastures. If your side hustle provides you with unlimited opportunities, then you may want to take the plunge and focus entirely on your side job. Number 6, you've lost your passion. It's tough going to work if you no longer feel passionate about it. When you find your thoughts frequently drifting to your side hustle, even while you're at your day job, then consider it a sign to move on. Number 7, you're miserable at your job. When you're miserable, you can't think straight. If all you can think about is someplace else, then it's time to revisit your priorities. Consider moving on from your job. Number 8, you're ready to move on. When you're ready to clean out your desk at the drop of a hat, and you've got your bags packed at home ready to follow your dreams, when you feel this way, don't let your job get in the way of your dreams.